Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making over this console for our office. I ordered this console for one of my clients and unfortunately it did show up damaged with a hole in the back, and it's completely functional still. They did not want the old console back, so we are going to keep it and give our office some much needed storage space. If you'd like to see more detailed videos of what the console looked like before, you can go to my office console makeover short. And today we are going to be using this as our inspiration. I found this console on West Elm and it is a similar look on the front, and I think I can make this console look similar. This is the product that we're going to be using today. It's a gel stain from Minwax, and the best part about this stain is that you don't have to sand down whatever you're using it on. In fact, you don't even need to strip any paint off. This can go over paint, it can go over existing stain. And I'm predicting that I'm probably going to need 3 coats on the outside and 2 on the front. And this is what it looks like after 1 coat. And this is what it looks like after 2 coats. I still want some of the wood grain to show through, so I don't want to go too heavy. And this is what it looks like after 3 coats, so pretty accurate. If I wanted to do a little bit less of a shiny look, I could probably use a matte poly over this, and that would kind of cut some of that gloss, but I actually don't mind it the way it is. I purchased this piece of art from Home Goods, and this is predominantly my husband's office, so I feel like it's nice and masculine, and the overall look is very casual California vibes, but in still keeping with that moody contemporary look that we were going for. If you'd like to see more transformations like this, or just get some design inspiration in general, please like and subscribe.